Welcome back to this very short video, and I promise you this is going to be a short one. So this is just a question. So last night I went and had a look at a project that I've been wanting to do a project for ages. There was another car that I wanted, but this is something that my brother-in-law come across. Is a very good price. I'll go through that after if I do decide to get it. Wants some work. So this is a 1971 Volkswagen Beetle. No engine, no gearbox, but I've already sourced one if I need to off a friend. So this will be my idea of it is to make it a project that I've been looking for a project for something to do, but something I can put on the channel as well. It's like a series. So it's literally just a body. The body is not in bad condition at all. Wants a floor panel putting back in and everything, and I've got loads of spares for it as well. So this will literally just be a project. So just drop down in the comments if you can, you've got time, and let me know what you think, whether it was something you'd be interested in watching, maybe something I can get people involved with. We can do bits and bobs and stuff. So it's literally going to be, it would literally be a series and start from scratch. I'll be learning things that I don't know because I've never worked on them. I can hopefully get advice off you lot if you've ever worked on them before, but literally make it a series from scratch right up, and then I'm hoping that I can do things that I've never done before. So it may sound silly, but I always wanted to try wrapping vehicles as well. So not wrapping vehicles, just wrapping in general. So there's a certain colour I'd love to wrap, and I'll do little bits of wrapping on this, just something different. I know people are going to go, you can't do that to a Beetle, but it's all basically just a project and just a learning thing. So I'm thinking about making a series on here, as well as the HGV stuff. That won't start, but it will still be that, but making it a series. So if you could drop down in the comments, let me know if it's something you'd be interested in, and I would really appreciate it. Video out tonight, 6 PM. Have a great day.